Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon, okay? Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Sagittarius, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of August. Sagittarius, please, for the month of August. Oops. Okay. Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius, having my energies and messages for Sagittarius for the month of August. Okay. Sagittarius. Yeah. There will be improvement in your material wealth, okay? Sa kaperahan ninyo, in your finances, merong improvement. Okay? You are moving on. Sagittarius, yung iba sa inyo, you are leaving. Iiwanan mo ang isang sitwasyon pansamantala, okay? To seek fulfillment or something meaningful sa inyo na makapagpapasaya sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. You are taking a break. You are moving on. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, may aalisan kayong sitwasyon. Okay? To chase your dreams, yung pangarap ninyo, yung goals. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng improvement or growth sa inyong sitwasyon, sa career man to or sa kaperahan. Okay? Sagittarius. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Kailangan mo ng pahinga. Okay? Sagittarius. Yung iba sa inyo, you are not feeling well. Okay? Madami kayong iniisip or marami kayong ginagawa. Kailangan mo ng bakasyon. Pahinga. Okay? You have to detach yourself, Sagittarius, sa mga unhealthy habits or patterns in your relationship. Okay? Merong ibang addiction in different aspects. Okay? Na kailangan mo i-detach yung sarili mo. May kailangan kang baguhin within yourself, Sagittarius. Yeah. For some of you, you are dealing or connecting with a earth sign, okay? Taurus or Capricorn. Okay. Yeah. You need to protect what you have, Sagittarius, okay? You need to be wise. Yeah. For some of you, you are thinking about your savings, about your money. Anong nangyayari sa aking savings or kaperahan? Okay, anong kailangan ko i-improve? Yeah. Okay. You are manifesting something na mangyayari sa life mo. It needs time and patience within you. Yeah, you are a powerful person. You are a decision maker. You can decide para sa sarili mo. Okay? Yeah. So, be patient. And wait for the right timing also. Kung meron kayong inaantay or meron kayong gagawin na desisyon sa life mo. Okay? You also need to be considerate. Okay? You need balance and moderation. Kung ano man to, yung addiction na meron ka. Okay? Yeah. Balance and moderation. Detach yourself from addiction. Yeah. You can change if you really want to. Yeah. For some of you, you will be completing a project and there is pride. You will be proud of it. Okay? You will be finishing it successfully. For some, merong travel na mangyayari. Okay? International. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. For some, you will be traveling to see a father. Okay? Be compassionate also to the people around you. Okay? Be kind. Be compassionate. Kung meron kang gusto or nagustuhan or kinakailangan mo i-express ang love mo or yung feelings mo sa isang tao, express it. Say it. Okay? Yeah. May significant, may importante na mangyayari sa life mo that will lead to change. Okay? A positive change. Something needs to crumble or may kailangan i-break para merong improvement or pagbabago na mangyayari. Okay? You will be thinking about your growth, about your development, about your money. Okay? And nag-iisip ka, yes, nag-iisip ka kung paano ma-improve or lumaki ang inyong savings or ang inyong kaperahan. Okay? May mga opportunities na darating sa inyo. Sagis, okay? Accept it confidently. After some assessment sa opportunity na yan, okay? Yeah, merong potential or chance for you to earn more. Yes. Okay. Ano tong life experience? Queen of Wands. Okay. For some of you, you are dealing with a Queen of Wands, a fire sign, okay? Yes, for some of you, the connection or the relationship will be shaken. Merong moving on na mangyayari and you're thinking about the growth of the relationship, okay? For some, you're dealing with two persons. Isang earth sign, isang fire sign, okay? There is addiction, obsession. You need to think things through. Sagis. May kailangan kang pagdesisyonan, meron kang desisyon na gagawin or pagdidesisyonan, okay? You have to detach yourself from obsession, kung ano man to. Yeah, it feels good to be without someone. But something is wrong. Devilish, okay? Addiction. Yeah, you feel good about this person. You're attracted to this person, okay? He or she is confident also. Yeah. Okay, for the month of August, you will be assessing your relationship with the other person, maybe an earth sign, an earth sign, okay? Kung meron pa pang growth na mangyayari in the situation. Yes, the person, the earth sign, it seems na parang ibang direksyon ang tinitingnan, not that interested in the relationship anymore, okay? You are moving on, Sagittarius, or merong pag-aalis, okay, na mangyayari. Okay? Yeah. Pag-isipan mo ng mabuti ang mga nangyayari sa life mo. Okay, choose the right thing, Sagittarius. That is for some of you, okay? Just take what resonates for you. Eight of Cups. Okay, Seven of Pentacles. Okay, parang hindi na nag-work out ang situation or hindi na nag-grow ang relationship. Okay, so you need merong moving on na nangyayari. Okay, sometimes you are losing interest in the relationship. Okay, you are moving forward to something else, something meaningful or makapagpasaya sa'yo, or you are moving towards your goal. You will be chasing your dreams. Something meaningful. Okay, that's for some of you. Okay. Yeah. May foundation na masishaken, okay? Na kailangan or situation na kailangan mag-change, okay? So that things can move forward. This is Seven of Pentacles at King of Pentacles. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. Yeah. For some of you, you will be working out. Or, yeah, you will work out the relationship. Kung ano man tong relasyon mo, kailangan ng hard work para maayos uli. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan ng inyong time, attention, and focus if you really want this. For some, about work. Okay? Nag-iisip ka kung meron pa bang magandang mangyayari sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Yeah. Yes, you are waiting. You are waiting na magkakaroon ng outcome, magandang resulta ang inyong trabaho, ang inyong ginagawa. Maybe this is a project, okay? Involving big money. Yeah, that is for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Magkakaroon ng improvement ang inyong finances, okay, for some of you. Okay. Queen of Swords. You are taking a break from someone, maybe an air sign, okay, or yeah, an air sign, Libra, Queen of Swords. This person is challenging, okay, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, okay, very straightforward. Yeah. You need to stay away from this person for a while. Okay? Medyo matalim ang bibig. Okay? Or yung dila. Something like that. Sharp tongue. You are taking a break. Okay? You feel that you have too much already. You had too much with this person. Yeah, there is someone who is challenging you or parang distraction sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Parang lagi siyang nangingialam sa inyong ginagawa. And this is a challenge for you. Okay? You want peace of mind, okay? Yeah. For some, ayaw mo magsalita, ayaw mo makipag-communicate. Yeah. Avoid being overly focused also sa mga material na bagay or about money or big money. Stop thinking or dwelling about it for a while. Take a break, okay? Yeah. May mga kailangan kang i-improve for the month of August when it comes sa work mo or sa kaperahan or sa project. Yeah, keep on working to reach that goal, okay? Your dedication is important and determination, your focus is important. Para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo, kung anong gusto mong mangyari, this is about, may kinalaman about kaperahan, big money. You need to be patient, Sagittarius. Yes. That's for, so just take what resonates for you. Protection. Yeah, 4 of Wands. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, there is obsession to complete a project, okay, successfully. Okay. Sometimes you have to take a break, detach yourself for a moment, for a while in that situation, okay? So that you will be able to think clearly on what to do next. Yeah. You really, gusto mo talaga na magkaroon ng contentment in your home life and happiness. You are obsessed about it, okay? Yeah, but it is advised that you need to take a break, okay? Kailangan ng pahinga. Okay, for some of you. Yeah. Yeah. Meron din obsession about the person, the Queen of Wands. You really want to be with this person, Sagittarius. But at the same time, you are dealing with another person also. You are thinking kung parang you need to do some effort also in this relationship to sustain or to maintain it. Okay? Okay, just take what resonates for you, Sagittarius, okay? Or maybe this is the other way around, okay? Just take what resonates and leave the rest. Yeah. Tingnan natin, ano pa yung mga messages for you, Sagittarius, okay? When it comes to work, keep working, focus, okay? Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. It needs your attention and focus to reach your goal. Egg. Success assured with good plans and hard work. Okay. Victory in some endeavor. Yes. Success and victory. Okay. Hard work, yeah. Hard work is needed. Plan, focus. Okay. Well, family wishes come true. Wow. Okay, nice. Yeah. So, you need balance and moderation also. Don't think too much. Maybe you are too obsessed already in accomplishing something. Okay. Gusto-gusto mo makuha, kaya wala ka ng pahinga. Yeah. Younger man. Dealings or relationship with a younger man. Okay, for some of you, you are dealing or you're having issues or concerns about a younger man. No? Leg. Stepping into a new experience. So, Lion. Time to act. Okay. So, take action. Hard work is needed. Okay. Improvise. Keep on improving. Focus and determination to get your or to achieve your goals. Okay? Kung ano man yung tinatrabaho ninyo para magkaroon ng resulta, it needs determination, focus, hard work. Okay? And be patient also. Okay? Ano pa yung mga messages for you from the Spirit Messages Oracle card for Sagittarius, please? For some of you, if you have business, merong changes, okay? May mga significant, mga importante na mga mangyayari that will lead to success, okay? Yeah. For Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. If it is meant to be, it will be. You won't have to force, convince, or worry about it. Let it flow, let it be, and let it come to you. You are attracting everything you need. Trust the timing of your life. Okay? So, Sagittarius, ito lang yung mga messages for you. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!